Doing, Terak? What are you doing? Driving the tractor. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa, for the tractor. All right, show them how you drive it. All right, go that way. Go that way, Terak. Go that way. Yep, go. Drive it. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel to the left. Here, I'll help you. This way is left. Turn it to the left. All right, go. All right, this way. Turn it this way. Turn it to the right. Can you turn it to the right? Good job. Okay, keep going. All right, how about thumbs up? Thumbs up. Yeah, all right. Thanks, Grandma, Grandpa.